Hi everyone, it's Rosalie here and welcome to this yoga series for complete beginners. Today we're looking at cat-cow. Now cat-cow is technically two poses, but we do them very often together in a yoga class, really syncing the breath to the movement, which is why I feel it's important that we do them together here. This is a great way to gently open up the spine, but also to really find that connection to the breath and to the movement. So to come into cat-cow, we're going to get started in a tabletop position. So coming onto your hands and knees. Now I would like you to make sure that your hips are stacked above your knees and your shoulders are above your wrists. Have a peek at your knees. You want to make sure they're about hip width distance apart. And have a look at your hands. Make sure your fingers are really nice and spread. Now from here, looking forward, I'd like you to take a nice big inhale to drop the belly and look up. Now as you exhale, press your palms into the mat, tucking in the chin, the tailbone. Inhale, soften the belly and look up. Think about bringing your heart forward. Exhale, press the palms into the mat, really rounding through your back. And again, inhale, bringing the heart up. Exhale, press the palms into the mat. We're going to do one more together. Big inhale. This is cow pose. Exhale, pressing into the mat, into cat pose. And there's a little cat. She had to join in cat pose. So that is your cat-cow. Now just a couple of things to avoid in this pose. The first one is that you're moving too quickly. Slow down in this pose and let your breath guide your movements. The second thing to avoid is to make sure you're not scrunching up your shoulders towards your ears. Think about really sliding your shoulder blades down your back so that you have length through the back of the neck. Well, thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to be notified every single time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next class. Now, I'd love to see your pose. Snap a picture of yourself if you can and post it on Instagram and tag me at Rosie Yogi so I can see how you did in your pose.